Have you ever felt that your heart is racing and your mind goes blank during a salary negotiation? Well, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will tell you simple script that can get you the raise you deserve. Stay tuned because end of this video, you will know exactly what to say and what not to say get that paycheck boost. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about salary negotiation script that will help you to get the raise what you deserve. So, let's get started. First thing first, why salary negotiations are so tough? Well, finding the right word during the salary negotiation can feel like trying to crack a secret code. One wrong move and dream raise is gone. Imagine being in a room with HR, your palms is sweaty, your heart is pounding, and your mind goes blank. Sounds familiar, right? Well, now let's dive into the specific phrases which you should be using or avoiding. Let's start with basic. Instead of saying, I need a raise because I'm struggling financially, which could sound needy, try saying something, I would like to discuss how my contribution can be better reflected in my salary. See, the first one focuses on your problem, while the second one highlights your value. Another common mistake is saying, I deserve a raise. While you might think you do, it's better to say, based on my performance and market rate, I believe a salary adjustment is appropriate. This shows you have done your homework and you are basing your request on fact, not feelings. Next, let's address the elephant in the room, the fear of rejection. Nobody likes hearing no. It's scary and can feel like personal attack. But what if I told you that rejection isn't the end, but just the beginning of a new conversation? Instead of fearing a no, think of it as a stepping stone. So, if you hear no, follow up with, can we discuss what step I can take to achieve this goal? This shows you're willing to improve and committed to your role. Studies show the candidate who handle rejection gracefully are more likely to be reconsidered in future. So, don't let a no bring you down. Use it as a feedback to get better. So, once we have covered the basic, let's get into some negotiation technique. One effective technique is if-then statement. For example, if we can agree on salary of X dollar, then I'm excited to get started next week. This shows you are ready to commit once your conditions are met. It's a positive way to frame your request. Research shows that framing your request positively increases your chances of success. It makes HR to see you as a committed and proactive employee. Alright, so let's wrap up with some quick tips. Tip number 1. Focus on your professional value, not personal need. Tip number 2. Handle rejection with grace and ask for feedback. Tip number 3. Use positive and confident language and use tactics like if-then statement. Confidence is key for your success. Practice this script, stay positive, and always believe in yourself. So, there you have it. The right thing which you should say to negotiate your salary. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friend. Good luck for your next salary discussion. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your success together. Bye for now.